More crowd surfing. Fuck.
Let's go.
So, anyone who's seen this knows what this next song's about because I never pass a show without actually saying what it's about. This song's called Bruises and Broken Homes. Most of you know the lyrics. It's about how fucked up child abuse is and how it's even more fucked up that it's illegal to go into a house where you know there's child abuse going on, but you can't legally go in and stop it by force. This goes out to people who choose to ignore the law and stop it and not give a fuck. We might try that again though.
What happened?
Yeah, Liam! Yeah!
I think Liam can take care of it.